Okay, good afternoon, World Wide Web. Good afternoon, YouTubers, loyal subscribers, guys. I'm back in another 7-second share code video, and I'm going to round out the opportunities that are under that umbrella. Okay, I'm going to round out the opportunities that's under that umbrella, and so by next week, guys, I will do a full blown tour of everything that you actually be able to actually pick up inside of the 7-second share codes of funnels. If you guys have been paying any attention in the YouTube video description, as you can see, I'm building out corresponding list building funnels for everything. And so today we're going to round out with my big commissions, guys. And I'm really super excited about my big commissions. And my big commissions, well, let me stop and say this before I even get into my big commissions. The funnels inside of the 7-second share code, guys, there are different price points because everybody is not in the exact same place when it comes to the amount of money you can afford for a home-based business opportunity, okay? This is why we lead with Leads Leap in those funnels. Now, my big commissions, you don't need Leads Leap for my big commissions, but you want a list building funnel, if that makes sense. So what I've done, guys, is I've created price points ranging anywhere from $7, $20, $10, $50, and there's just one with a one-time payment that you guys are going to see if you haven't seen it yet, and it's a one-time payment, I believe, of $140, and it tops off right there. Okay, so that way everybody has an opportunity to get in at a place and in a space where they feel comfortable in terms of the amount of money that they're paying. Okay, now my big commissions, guys, is a $10 entry level price point, but it's an incredible funnel. And I'm going to go through it today. And this is the latest lead capture page, actually, Splash lead capture page that Paul just released. He just released this today. And so I've got the other funnel. Haven't ran any traffic into it, guys, because I'm setting all this stuff up. And I'm testing some traffic, and I've got a few, quite a few leads have come through, and quite a few of you guys have actually picked up these or should I say a funnel or two inside of the 7-second share code umbrella. So let's just get with this video, and I want you guys to understand that this page is a page that you will actually have instant access to inside of my big commissions. Now, they're all great funnels, and what I like about these funnels and what they all have in common, guys, is they are all opportunities that can build your email subscribers list. They are all email subscribers list builders. Everything inside. If you hear me talking about 7-second share codes and you hear me mentioning a funnel of any type, check them out. You'll realize, particularly because of the corresponding funnels I'm building, but even independent in and of themselves, they are list building funnels. And that means you can build an email subscribers list with any of the funnels that you see me that I'm covering now and that you'll find in the YouTube video description area. The other thing all of these funnels have in common is the fact that they can all create instant, passive, and residual income for you, right? All at the same time. That's the other thing they have in common. And last but not least, they can all be, listen closely, they can all be completely set up and functional within 30 minutes. And that's outside the 7-second share code technology with the 7-second share code funnels, okay? This is not one of them. But this works just as well, if probably not better, right? Because when you come inside of my big commissions, and I'll leave a link in the YouTube video description area, that's where it'll be right now. I'm creating a corresponding splash page because the way these links are generated, they're long. And so I'm actually going to get a domain name for it. Now, I really don't want to get sidetracked. I really want to stay on point. So this is what this page looks like, guys. Okay. This, I can tell you guys, all right, is going to be a very hot funnel. Just like all of them. This is a very hot, highly responsive funnel. I can tell you that right now. Number one, it's the only kind of funnels that Paul Darby creates, right? Number two, look at it, guys. Okay, but let me tell you what makes this particular funnel so super special. What we're prompting our prospects to do in this particular scenario is we're gonna allow them to come into the funnel and take a tour of the actual system. Okay, for $1. Okay, guys, for $1. $1, right? You get to come in, you get this, you step inside, you see what you got instant access to, right? Now, here's what happens, guys. You're gonna get that dollar back, or our prospects are gonna get that dollar back, right? With only one referral, right? With only one referral, because the person, when they refer, is gonna give them $1 as well. You get to keep that dollar, by the way. And what happens is, right, after the 7 days are over, guys, right? I believe it's only $1 for your first month, actually. I'm thinking it's a week. It's a week, and your first month okay, yeah, there you go. So what's going to happen is, after that, guys, you're going to be charged $9.95 a month, okay? And you're making 50% commissions on this funnel now, and it's the first. We're bringing you into bronze, and that's the first level. That $10 level, that $9.95 level is the first level entry point that you're coming into my big commissions with. There are more. You get to take the tool, you'll see what they are, right? I don't think none of them exceed. I don't think none of them exceed. I think there might be one for $99. But I'm at the $26 level, guys. I'm a bronze member. Pretty soon I'll be platinum. Now here's what's happening. So we're gonna bring, right? We're gonna introduce the funnel, right? We're gonna bring it just like we run traffic to anything. We're gonna run traffic to this page, okay? And when we start driving traffic to this page, you know, you can see right here, you can join for $1 and start getting paid from day one. And you want to see how you can make $625 a week, and your first month is only $1, plus your first referral gets you 100% commissions. So you get your dollar back with only one referral, and then the whole money making business is free, and you'll see how that works. So what's going to happen is our prospects are going to click the link, right? And we're going to take them over to another video, guys, okay? And we're going to show people. I'm going to show you what it is you get, and you feel free to read through. Okay, make sure you understand exactly what's happening inside of this my big commissions funnel, guys. I'm you know, this thing is really taking off just since Paul launched this actual funnel, guys. And here's the thing, the guys, this is what he does, guys. He's a master AI, but he's launching these different funnels you can use, and you can build your business out for anything that you want. Now, here's the other cool thing I want you guys to keep in mind. Just like the $10 miracle, guys, the shiny ball syndrome that you guys should have seen a video on, these funnels can be integrated with third-party autoresponders, guys, okay? I'm integrating mine. It's already integrated with my Get Response autoresponder. So what that means is when people come down here, guys, and they say, give me everything I need for $1, they're going to come right inside, guys, okay? They're going to step right inside the funnel, and you'll see everything you need to see, everything you need to do. You're gonna set your funnel up, guys. And as soon as you go through setting this up on this page, you're instantly gonna have instant access to the link that you just saw, and you're instantly gonna have access to your any link that Paul releases, depending on your level. And it's enough in here right now to get you going. But that's what you're going to do, okay? You're going to set this thing up, and when you do, guys, again, you're going to have instant access to this very funnel, okay? Now, remember, you'll be able to build your list, right, with third-party autoresponders like Aweber, Get Response. I think MailChimp is in there. I'm not sure. I have to check, but I got to Get Response, so I'm not sure. But, you know, that's Get Response is a great contact management system. It's really my proprietary list builder, Get Response. I have both Get Response and Leasley, but it's apples and oranges, and I can do different things with them. But understand, you can get a Get Response contact management and autoresponder for free, by the way, guys. I think your first, I'm gonna guess and say I think your first 2,000 subscribers are free. But after you go over 2,000, unlike Leads Leap, the more subscribers you get inside Get Response, then you at certain thresholds you have to pay more for how many subscribers. But you can get a free Get Response account. Now I'm gonna do some videos on Get Response because I absolutely love Get Response. I love it. And so we're going to do videos on it. But what I want you guys to understand right now is this is an incredible funnel. I want you guys to really step inside my big commissions and make sure that you understand it. Because like I said, I'm rounding out now, guys. This is truly everything inside of the 7-second share codes. This is my exit strategy. I will retire, right, on everything that's inside of the 7-second share code. And I got some really, really great some things you guys are not even going to expect by the end of next week. Everything. I mean everything. To include the built-in traffic. Remember? To include the built-in traffic, guys, okay? So we're going to be able to advertise. We're going to be able to set our systems up in no time flat using the 7-second share code technology with all of those funnels that I built inside of Leads Leap. And, of course, anything that's not in... Well, this is the only funnel inside of the 7-second share code, by the way, that does not have a corresponding Leads Leap funnel. It doesn't need one. To be quite honest, none of them do. But there's a reason I do it the way that I do it. There's a method to my madness. We want to build teams. We want to make sure that we're building some residual income inside of our internet marketing, affiliate marketing portfolio. Okay, we want to be able to make one-off sales. We want to be able to make instant sales. We want to have recurring income. We want to have passive income. And that's the gist of what the 7-second share code technology inside of the Leads Leap platform is all about. So I'm very super pumped and super excited. I'm going to go ahead on and invite you guys to step into the actual funnel. It's a great funnel. You really need to step inside and see it. I'll leave the link inside the YouTube video description area. Guys, check out my big commissions. And then next week, guys, we will go inside. We'll look at everything. And you guys you'll see. If you're paying attention and watching the YouTube video description areas, you'll see me popping those recruiter marketing list building systems in the YouTube video description area. I think I probably got about 4 more now, and then we'll be completely done. And the thing is, they all connect with each other. I don't know if you guys are paying attention, right? Everything inside of that umbrella leads back to Leads Leap, okay? So we're going to be able to create multiple streams of income because Leads Leap is the core foundation, which is what those recruiter funnels are all about, right? We want to make sure that we're getting them coming and going because we're bringing people into the Leads Leap community when we're building these recruiter funnels as well, and you can use them for anything. You can put any opportunity you want to in front, or depending on how you want to set your funnels up, if you want to go in and edit them out, because you can do that. So you want to make sure that you're paying attention. You want to make sure that you're learning because it's not a lot. And then when it's all said and done, I'm going to start from the very top, and we're going to go all the way through everything, guys. I'm going to do videos on everything that's pertinent. Right now, you can get everything, but I want to do the videos myself. Right? And I'm going to do them. We're going to go inside of 1 million ways to market. We're going to be everywhere you need to be. And when you see it in its entirety and you understand it, you'll understand that 7-hour work week. You'll understand how you don't have to be all over the place all the time when you have automated marketing systems, list building funnels that can build your list for you guys inside of Leads Leap, multiple lists at an upgraded level inside of Get Response with great funnels like My Big Commissions and the $10 Miracle and all the other great systems, right? The Mega Link. Guys, you know, there's no ceiling to what you can accomplish. And you don't have to be all over the place, right? You just need to drive traffic when these funnels are set up. Anyway, guys, thanks for sitting in. I'm going to wish you guys a happy weekend early. I'll really be busy. You'll see the videos going up. You see the videos going up. Know that they're part of a funnel. That's what's happening. You see a lot of videos going up right now. You're probably going, wow, this is another video, because they're all a part of this really gigantic and this incredibly beautiful puzzle. that we call the 7-second share codes. Thanks so much for sitting in. Go down and check out all the links in the YouTube video description. I'm paying special attention to my big commissions. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you then.